Today we're going to be talking about the best indicator that I've ever used in trading. Trading can often seem difficult and unattainable, but with the help of this indicator, you'll find that your results become consistent and profitable. For me personally, I've been using it for a few months now, and my life has got a whole load easier. The best part is they're doing a 1-day free trial, so everything that I'm going to show you in the video, you can backtest yourself for a full day. This is not financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes only. Let's get into the video. Now that we're on the charts, I want to show you how to use this indicator. What we do is we go up here to indicators, you'll go to your invite only, and you will click to put the signaler on your screen. We like to use the Heikin Ashi candles. To do that, you come up here, you'll see that up in this bar here, you have different types. If it's not there, you can obviously see down here, you have those options. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the Heikin Ashi candles, and you'll see here that the chart has been transformed to include that. Now, to understand this indicator, we have to understand a few aspects. Here, where it says short, this is where you're going to be taking your sells. These are your signals. When you can see long, this is for a buy trade. Again, your signal. And in the background here, you can see a green background. This is showing a bullish trend, and vice versa with the red, it is showing a bearish trend. When you get a signal for a long trade, for a buy setup, what you want to do is you want to put your entry on the candle that gives you the signal, and your stop loss will go right here, right behind the trend line here. And you will want to be aiming for different liquidity points in the market. It's okay if you want to take quick one-to-ones, that's no problem. Personally, I like to aim for liquidity points in the market, like up here, where you have one here, lots of liquidity sat there, and you can also take it here, which would be a higher time frame supply. So for me, I was in this trade and I took it all the way to the top here to this liquidity point, and it hit the early hours of this morning. When you get a signal for a sell trade, what you want to do is you want to enter on the candle that gave the signal. Again, you want to put your stop loss above the trend line, and you can aim for a one-to-one. You can aim to further liquidity points. It's really up to you. Personally, again, you know me, I like to aim for liquidity points, so I normally look left. This particular trade, it ran 272 pips. If you want to talk money, if you were risking £1,000 in this particular trade, you would have made £1,000. If you were risking £1,000 in this trade, it went 2.58R, so you would have made $2,580. Now, risk management is key. You never want to bet more than what you can afford to lose. So for me, I like to risk 1% of my account. So in this scenario, I would have gained 1%. In this scenario, I would have gained 2.5%. This indicator works best in a volatile market. You can see here that the price was moving up, and you can see here that the price shot back down, and then again, the price moved back up. This is a volatile market. Now, in terms of the areas you want to avoid, you're looking at consolidation, and the consolidation areas are right here. Now, you can tell where a consolidation is because it just moves sideways. In this particular example, you wouldn't be able to tell me whether the market is moving up or if the market is moving down. Now, I don't care what strategy you trade, consolidation is a no trade zone. It just takes a quick look of the eye to see that this is a consolidation period. But you can see here, we've pushed up, and here we've pushed down. These are volatile markets. Now, if you like what you've seen here and you also want to have a chance to use this indicator, then let's head over to Telegram so that I can show you how to use it. Now, to get to this Telegram page, you want to go to the description of this video and you want to click the Telegram link. That will direct you to this page right here. Now, we spoke about that 1-day free pass. All you would need to do is you would need to click the 1-day free here, and you would need to put in your TradingView username. Now, to find that, all you need to do is as follows. On your TradingView page, you need to go up here to the top left. You'll see a little button here. You click your username here. You can go into profile. Once you hit the profile button, you'll be redirected to this page, and you'll see here that is your username. You can see here that mine is this one. Yours will be where this is. Once you've posted that in, you'll be able to use our indicator. And as I showed you at the start of the video, it is in your invite only scripts. I loved this indicator so much, I went ahead and did the lifetime plan. If you want that, all you have to do is click this link here. You will be redirected to this page where you can see click to pay in crypto. You click here and you can see all the different ways that you could be paying in crypto for this. Personally for me, I have a load of USDT, so I use USDT to pay for this. You just click that and then you carry on continuing to pay. Now, if you ever want to see other results posted, you just head over here to the Signaler VIP page and you can see here, this is where other people are making good profits. So if you're ever looking for a community, you can obviously come in here and you can take part. Having scrolled up a little, you can see that someone has posted their results here from the indicator's signals. Again, you can see here, other people looking to take profit on a signal given. Jumping back over to TradingView, one of my favorite things was the fact that you can just set alerts for this indicator, which makes your life so much easier. To do that, to head over to that, you go here to the 3 dots on the indicator, you click more, and then you click add alert on the signaler. You don't really need to change any of the settings here, but you can just go same as chart. In this example, I'm on the 1 hour on GBP USD. If you are more of a swing trader, then sure, use the 4 hours. Guys, if you want to get involved in this, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to catch my next video. You've got all the information, head to the description and click those links.